we drag 3 buttons onto the canvas and label them Ascending, Descending, and Toggle. We add and click interaction to the Ascending button, choose the Add Sort action, and set the score column of the repeater to a numeric sort type. Leave the sort order option as the default Ascending. Uncheck Remove all other sorts, so we can add multiple sorts to the repeater. For the Descending button, add and click interaction. Choose Add Sort and set the score column of the repeater to a numeric sort type. Select the Descending option for sort order. Uncheck Remove all other sorts. For the Toggle button, add and click interaction. Choose Add Sort. Set the score column to numeric and select Toggle, ascending first in the Sort Order field. Preview the prototype. When you click the Ascending button, the rows in the repeater are sorted in ascending order by the score column. Clicking the Descending button sorts the rows in descending order by score. Clicking the Toggle button alternates the sorting order of the rows in the score column between ascending and descending